How do we get the idea of the universe? We get that when we look through telescopes to the space or through microscopes to the small particles, which are smaller and smaller. But there's a problem. We use light to see every object, right? But sometimes the wavelength of light is even bigger than those small particles. So scientists decrease that, but they give it more energy, which threw away the particles. So now how can we know those particles? There's a theory known as point particle, where each particle is described as a point in space-time. But gravity cannot be described as a point. It is everywhere. So scientists came up with string theory. String theory was able to recognize gravity as a particle known as graviton. String theory works like each different vibration is a particle, which can be best described by a guitar. Each note of the guitar is a particle. Like one note describes proton, other describes electron. So it can be theory of everything? No, because we live in a four-dimensional world. But string theory requires a 10-dimensional world. Here we fail. We have to get rid of those 6 dimensions, which we cannot. Now let's assume we did that. Still, it cannot be tested as it is not physical. String theory will come up to be a mathematical value which cannot be tested. So it cannot be theory of everything. Not yet.